Why do you never activate?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Burns Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harrison Beaver Crib to Burnham Harbor to 7 nautical miles south of Midway Airport, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts
I swear this is giving me a good signal too, and it still didn't activate.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Marina Shores Epping Harbor, 59th Street Marina, and Diversey Harbor.
Warning. Whoa! Oh crap! Oh, bro! My 262 is reading it as an unrecognized warning.
Nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City. Open waters from
See that, guys? Unrecognized warning.
City out to Mid-Lake until 7 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles northeast of Indiana Harbor, with an associated outflow boundary extending southward to near Gary.
That is insane. Unrecognized warning.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Michigan City, Burns Harbor, and Marina Shores Epping Harbor. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to Mid-Lake until 12:45 a.m. At 11:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 25 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and large hail. Source, radar indicated.
Waterspout possible.
Impact, waterspouts
This came out of
easily
nowhere.
overturn boats and
I was
create local
legit
hazard
about to go to
disease.
bed.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Just make sure like the guys I'm playing might feel like I'm no effect or not.
The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Nope.
At 11 p.m. over air.
Oh my goodness, this came out of legit nowhere. Got it.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for open waters
My
from
fifth one
Winthrop
today.
Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to Mid-Lake until 2:30 a.m. At 1 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 11 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving southeast at 5 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots.
The 120 is flashing over there.
Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. The following is a link.
This is just insane.